In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip or invert a video in CapCut. Whether you're looking to fix reverse text from a selfie video or just trying out a creative mirrored effect, CapCut makes it easy to achieve. Flipping a video can completely transform its look, and with CapCut's tools, you can do it in just a few simple steps. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through two different methods, using the mirror icon and using the right-click menu. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply and undo the mirrored effect whenever you need. And if you don't already have CapCut, you can download it for free. Check the link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, you'll want to import your video into CapCut. Once the video is loaded, drag it onto the timeline. The timeline is essentially your workspace. This is where all your editing actions will take place. Think of it like your digital canvas for video editing. Once the clip is on the timeline, click on it to select it. Selecting the clip is important because it ensures CapCut knows exactly which piece of media you want to edit. If you accidentally click off the video and deselect it, don't worry, just click on the clip again to reselect it. Now let's move into our first method using the mirror icon. Above the timeline, you'll find the mirror icon. This is the tool that allows you to flip your video horizontally. Once you've located the icon, simply click on it. When you do, you'll notice that your video is now mirrored, creating a flipped version of the original. This is particularly useful if you're working with selfie videos where the text appears reversed, or if you just want to add a creative twist to your footage. If you decide you don't want the mirrored effect, you can click the mirror icon again to undo the flip. CapCut makes it easy to toggle the effect on and off without any loss in video quality, so feel free to experiment as much as you like. Next up, let's explore the second method for flipping a video, using the right-click menu. Start by right-clicking on the video clip in the timeline. This will open a drop-down menu with a range of additional editing options. From this menu, select Edit and then click on Mirror. Just like with the mirror icon, this will flip your video horizontally, giving it that mirrored effect. If you ever want to reverse the effect, simply repeat the same steps. Right-click on the clip, go to Edit, and then click Mirror again. This method is equally effective and gives you the same control over toggling the mirrored effect on or off. And there you have it. Two simple and effective ways to flip or mirror your video in CapCut. Whether you prefer the mirror icon or the right-click method, both approaches are quick, easy, and fully reversible. So go ahead and try them out on your next project, and don't be afraid to get creative with mirrored effects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.